In this video, you will learn how to use a different image or a different video on any page within your website. Starting from the main dashboard, I'm going to be selecting sportsfootage.com to show you an example of how we can do this. Let's go ahead and navigate to our home page. We are currently building out the home page, but you will see there's a variety of text and images. If we did want to change this image placeholder, the first step is to hover over the image placeholder and click on image styling. Now, if we scroll down on the right menu bar to media options, you can change this placeholder to a video if you would like. You can keep it at a photo. You can click on randomizing if you would like to have this select a new image from your library that will fit within this section each and every time a new visitor comes to your website, so it looks like it's always changing. You can also add an image from a free stock footage website by browsing images here, or if you already have an image that you would like to swap out this placeholder for, we can simply click on this blank placeholder and you can browse any of your section images that will work well within this section. If we wanted to select the image titled Men Working on Computer, we can go ahead and click select after clicking that image, and that image will now be changed. So that is how you can change any image placeholder on any page within your website. Additionally, if you would like to change this image to a video, or if it is currently a video that you would like to change, using that same menu bar selection, we can click on the video icon. That will change the selected image to a video. And if you'd like to change it to a different video, well, there's this button here called Add Video. I want to click on that button, and the menu on the right-hand side of the screen is going to change and ask you to import a YouTube URL encode or a Vimeo URL number. Okay, so this is going to be the string of numbers after the dash at the very end of the URL. So you don't want to be copying and pasting the entire URL into these text box. And you definitely want to make sure that if you are using a YouTube video, that goes in the first text box here. If you're using a Vimeo URL number, that goes in the second text box there. So just to provide an example, I have copied a URL link, and I'm going to paste that into this text box and make sure to delete everything besides the URL number at the end of the URL. Now I can change this. I'm going to change it to tutorial, and I'm going to click preview. So by clicking preview, I have added this new video in. Essentially, I've changed it and updated it to a new video. And that concludes this lesson. We showed you how to take any image placeholder and actually change that image regardless of what web page you are working off of, as well as change it to a video, or if you already have a video placeholder, how you can add a new video to replace that video placeholder. If you're curious how to customize this video, change the look of it, add borders, change the spacing, move it around, we cover how to stylize videos and text within any page in separate lessons. But this lesson should give you what you need to now go and change and customize all the images and videos within your website.